If you've been thinking about making the change to a laundry sheet and you're still not quite brave enough, then watch this video because I'm going to show you how Spacewhite Laundry Sheets have rocked my laundry's world. Woo! That's incredible. I wasn't expecting that. This is now my third shipment of the Spacewhite Laundry Sheets. This is how they arrive in the post. A 100% compostable bag. And that's what they look like. I buy the Stain and Odour ones. They've just got a little bit more kick. We tend to get a bit dirty and sweaty in our house. They're good for sensitive skin. I don't have any problems. I've never had irritated skin in any way, form or fashion. And these are the fragrance-free ones. I always buy fragrance-free products because I do not like scented products because they are too strong. There are no parabens, no phosphates, no added dyes, no chlorine bleach, no animal-based ingredients, and no plastics. Safe for people, safe for animals, safe for the environment. Vegan, zero waste, planet-friendly, hypoallergenic. You can use them in a front loader or a top loader, and you can use them in hot water or cold water. The cardboard box is completely compostable as well. And when you open them up, there they are. I know, it's weird, eh? What's that you say? How do you use it? Let me show you how easy it is. No measuring, no mess, no spills, no heavy bottles. You're probably saying, hey Karen, you just threw 2 towels in there. That's not a very big load. That's because I did all my washing yesterday. And now I'm sitting here trying to make a video with no laundry to do. So I just grabbed a couple of towels, but it doesn't matter. We have only ever used one sheet, no matter how big or how small the load. Whether it's my son's stinky, filthy work clothes, or whether it's my sweaty, dirty gardening clothes. One sheet is all it has ever taken to get them clean and smelling fresh. Seriously, one sheet. That's all it takes. So we're going to get all sciencey now and do a bit of an experiment. I'm going to put this in a bottle with some cold water and we're going to see how long it takes to dissolve. I've set everything up so that you can watch me do it, so you can see that I'm not tricking or conning or faking or anything like that. Here's my empty bottle. Cold water tap. It is 12:14. Put this in the water. Poke it in. Put the lid on. I've never done this before, so I'm curious what's going to happen. We'll give it a shake. Oh, wow. That was fast. It's really sudsy. There is not one piece of the laundry sheet still intact. It has all dissolved. I'm going to sit that there just for a few minutes. It's 12:15. 12:19. sitting there 3 minutes. It's clear. I can see through it. Let's open the lid. There's no smell at all, and that is soapy. Look, that lather up. You can feel it. It's like washing your hands with liquid soap. The Spacewhite website has undergone a bit of a makeover recently. It's looking all sleek and modern and spiffy. This is the old packaging. I've noticed the packaging has had a bit of a makeover, and there are a few new products available as well, including dishwasher tablets, which I think is a bit exciting. It's a new product to try, but all the important information is still there. It still tells us that Spacewhite is a 100% Australian owned company. It still tells us that the CEO is not taking a wage for the first 5 years, and it still tells us that all of the profits are being donated to charities to help improve and increase awareness of our oceans, how to keep them clean, and how to protect them going into the future. Everybody asks this next question: where is it made? The product is made in China, because a lot of the products that Spacewhite make are made from bamboo. And if you're going to make a product out of bamboo, it makes sense to make it in the place where the bamboo grows. There are other laundry sheets available on the market, and they are all made overseas. There are no laundry sheets made in Australia. If I have missed it and you have found one that is made in Australia, let me know. I'd like to give it a try. But if you want the convenience of a laundry sheet rather than powders or liquids, then this is an Australian owned company, and I would definitely give it a go. So there you go. Look, Spacewhite have got a lot of products, and there is so much information on their website. So I really do encourage you, go to the website and have a look. The link is down below in the description box. And before I go, let's have one more look at that little science experiment we did. There's our little science experiment, completely clear. Look at that. That's how you know there's no residue or anything left in your washing when you're wearing it. I love that. I love that. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and then share it with your friends.